Zhejiang Miningwell Supply Chain Management Co. Limited was founded in 2001 in Quzhou, China. We are a leading company specializing in the production of mining equipment with over 20 years of industry experience. With a factory space of over 5,000 square meters, we manufacture independently developed equipment such as drill bits, drill rods, down-the-hole hammers, and drilling rigs. We also provide OEM support and offer customized production based on customer requirements. If you are seeking a reliable supplier of drilling and mining equipment, please feel free to contact us. The Miningwell is committed to providing you with the best solutions and an excellent customer experience.